Hey there, foodies! I just wanted to take a quick moment to say thank you for subscribing to receive my free ebook, 20 Easy One-Pot Recipes Cookbook. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just a natural foodie who loves trying new dishes, this ebook is packed with simple, tasty recipes that I know you'll love. Now, are you ready to get cooking? From hearty stews to delicious pastas, these one-pot wonders are perfect for anyone looking to whip up something amazing without the hassle. And hey, if you love what you're seeing here, you'll definitely want to check out my YouTube channel, Journey Health and Fitness. The link down below is gonna take you straight there, and I really think you're going to like it. I talk about all things health and fitness related. You can utilize the recipes, cookbooks, meal prep plans, grocery lists, and more. These tools will help assist you in your weight loss journey on the way to a healthier and more fulfilling fitness lifestyle. So, if living a delicious and healthy life sounds like your kind of thing, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment, share with your friends, and subscribe so you don't miss any valuable food content. Once again, thank you so much for subscribing, and welcome to the Foodie family. Let's get cooking. See you soon.